Hello, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is delete columns to make sorted. So it is a easy level question. So let's see. You are given an array of n strings strs, all of the same length. The strings can be arranged such that there is one on each line, making a grid. For example, the string array is A B C B C C A E, and it will be a grade of this A B C B C. Okay, this way. And you want to delete the columns that are not sorted. See, these are rows A B C B C, and columns are A B C B C A and C E E. So you want to delete the columns that are not sorted lexicographically. In the above example, this column 0 is ABC. Okay, this one, not this one. And column 2 is CEE. Column 1 is BCA, which is not sorted. So we have to delete this column. So we have to return the number of columns that you will delete. See, in the question it is asked we have to return the number. Focus on the output. Number of columns which you can delete. Okay, we don't have to delete it exactly, we just have to calculate that which are not sorted. So we have to calculate the columns which are not sorted. Okay, so how we will calculate? If you see the constraint, the length is less, okay, 100 itself, and also consist of lowercase English letters. So if you want to compare lowercase English letters, what we can do is if let's say if I have numbers 1 5 3 like this, anything. Okay, so if how I will know if this is sorted or not? We will check each element, right? So I will check this 1 and 3. 3 is greater, yes, these two are sorted. Now if this is sorted, I'll check for these three. I mean these two elements 3 and 4, 4 and 7, and 7 and 2. If I am checking with 7 and 2, 2 is not greater than 7. So I can say this is not sorted. So similarly for A, B, C, D, this also we can do just checking with the operator, less than or greater than operator. So what we can do is, let's solve. It's a easy question. So what we can do, I'll take int n. N is by number of rows. Okay. Number of rows are strs dot length. Okay, these are number of rows 1 2 3. Number of columns will be my size of this tree. And if you see in the question, it is given all of the same length. Okay, all of they are same length. Number of int column is equal to strs of 0 dot length. Okay, here if you see the constraint, at least one is there. So we will not get array out of bound index here. Okay, this is row length and this is column length. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to traverse in this way. Okay, so let's not traverse in this way row wise, let's traverse in column wise this way 1 2 3. Okay, now for int I is equal to 0, I less than column length I plus plus. So we are going in this way. Okay, this way A B C. Now for int j is equal to, now we are going to compare. So I will take j is 1 less than row length j plus plus. We will check with previous one. So I will check this B with A. I'll check C with B. I'll check C with B. I'll check A with C. Okay, that is why I'm starting with 1. So what I'll check, if my strs of which column is I'm sorry, strs of j, okay, minus 1 dot char at I. Okay, this is our column, this. Okay, 1 0 1 2 dot char at I, if it is greater than strs of j dot char at caret I. Okay. For J is what? J is our row length, this thing. So we are starting from the first row and this columns. Okay. So if I am checking B with A, I'm checking C with B, and I'm checking E with C. Okay. And if it is greater, my first element is greater than second, that means these are not sorted. So I have to break this loop, and I will take one int answer is equal to 0. Okay, and I will increment my answer here. And anyway we are breaking, that means we are going to the next column. Okay, we are going to the next column. If you see, these are columns. First we are checking this column, then this and this. Okay, so if I am breaking, then I'll go to next column. Okay, and at the end we will just return our answer. Let's run this. Yeah, I can say accepted. Let's submit this solution. So it's a easy level question, so you can just do this using this approach. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.